guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and as you can tell by the title, in today's video I will be creating 2 DIY graphic tees, and I will be showing you all how I do that, my process and everything. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So these are the graphic tees that I will be using in this video. As you can see, this one is a really pretty cream color. You all know I had to pick a cream color. I love this color, it's so pretty. And this was more of a pink color, and I really love this pink salmon look. I just think it's so pretty. So yeah, these are the 2 colors that I will be using. They are both oversized. The cream one is a little more oversized because they did not have a large. I would have preferred a large because I wear a medium and I wanted to up a size to make it oversized, but they had an extra large, so I got this one just because I really wanted the cream color, and this pink is in a large, so this one will be the perfect fit. So first things first, I originally wanted to create a SZA graphic tee, so I wanted one of them to have SZA on, a huge picture of SZA, but I figured why not just put myself on a graphic tee? Why not just put a picture of myself on a graphic tee, you know? So that is exactly what I did. I got myself ready and decided to take a few photos and then narrow down the options and pick a final photo. And I also went through the process of putting an effect and edit on this photo, so that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I use the app Cam just because it had the filters that I wanted on this photo. I knew I wanted more of a retro look. So here is my process. First, I picked the photo and I picked the size that I wanted the photo to be. So whenever you first open the app or whenever you first start using the app, they go ahead and put the photo in a Polaroid film look, but I decided to take that off just because that's not exactly what I was looking for. And then I just played around with the filters a little bit, and I definitely like the lighting look. So I wanted a lighting effect on the photo, but I also want it to be dimmer because I decided that I would put this photo on this graphic tee, this lighter graphic tee. So I wanted to make the photo kind of match the vibe of the graphic tee, so it needed to be a little more whitewashed, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just played around with the filters, and I knew for sure I wanted this film look just to give it more of a true graphic look. So I upped the film all the way to 100, and then I made the photo all smooth, and I played around with a few of the other filters just to give it the final look that I was looking for. Okay, so moving on to the next graphic tee, I knew for sure that I wanted somewhat of a Pinterest collage look. So here's the graphic tee. As you can see, I typed in pink and gray aesthetic, and then I just went and saved a bunch of pink and gray different photos, and I also saved an inspiration collage, and then I went straight to Canva. And at first I tried to see if they had a collage option for me to use, but I didn't really like any of the collage options they had, so I just went to a blank page and I made sure to get the width and the height of the transfer paper. And yeah, after I just added the photos, I really just got to play around with the way the photos look and where they were on the graphic paper, and just try to figure out what looks best, which photos should overlay each other. And I also tried to figure out if I wanted to see some white in the background of the photo or not. But yeah, I just played around with that, and I decided I didn't really want to see white. I wanted a transparent background. I also wanted some photos to hang off the ends, as you can see, so I didn't really fill up the entire paper. Right after that, all I had to do was go print out the image that I took and the collage that I created and print them on the transfer paper. And this is how the photos turned out. This is the selfie photo that I took that I will be putting on the cream graphic tee. And here's the collage. I love the way the collage turned out, and I will be putting this one on the smaller pink graphic.
Okay, so the rest of this video will be a voiceover so you guys can see what I'm doing in real time. So here I'm just getting the shirt on the ironing board, and the instructions tell you to iron the shirt before you start so it's perfectly smooth. Then I'm just getting the image in the location that I want it. I used the tag on the shirt to measure it out and get the image right in the middle. I then just cut the edges off the picture because I didn't want a frame look in my graphic, and I just start ironing. I found that applying a lot of pressure with the iron and also making sure you focus on the edges really help. Then you just tug at the edges a little bit, and if it doesn't come up immediately, like mine just now, you just iron over it again until it does. And here's the final product. And I'm just repeating the same process with the other graphic tee. As you can see, I cut this graphic to make sure it has the cutout look. I will say I wish I made this graphic a little bigger, so I might add to this tee, which won't be hard at all, or maybe I'll just crop the graphic tee, but we'll see. But yeah, here's the final product with this tee. And this is what they look like on. I love them so much, especially the graphic tee with my image on it. It is so cute and I cannot wait to wear it all the time this summer.
So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.